Hey there! So today we are actually taking it on the road. I was going to do just a regular live stream from home, but we actually decided to go to one of our favorite spots in Hollywood, and that's going to be Hollywood Forever Cemetery. First, we're going to stop at Astro Burger on Gower and Melrose to get some lunch, and then we're going to head into the grounds of the cemetery. So I'm excited to have you join us today, and it's a beautiful location, so let's get going. All right, here we are, pulling in, and as you can see, it's everything it is in Hollywood is palm trees. They do film a lot of different movies here at the cemetery. We're just going to go ahead and follow this road around over to the back mausoleum where we normally have our lunch. And then as you can see right here, that is the back of the Paramount Studios lot. And we're gonna hang a left here on Nelson Eddy. And then right here is where they do the movie screenings in the summertime normally. So they do movie nights on the weekends where they show classic movies, and people come out here with drinks, food, and enjoy the movie. Okay, so we're gonna stop here, we're gonna have lunch, and we'll get back to it. Okay, so we just finished lunch, so now we're gonna go ahead and take you on a trip with us through some of the more iconic places here at the cemetery. Now this is the main walkway for the back part of the cemetery. Now they are doing some construction around the cemetery right now, so we're going to see some of that going on, but they're always making sure that things are updated and preserved. This is also the area where they do the main performances for Dia de los Muertos. So during Halloween they do celebrate Dia de los Muertos here at the cemetery, and they put altars up all along these back rows over here and towards the front. And then this whole area is the festival area where they have music and dancing and vendors and face painting and all kinds of stuff like that. Okay, so we are just going to walk up these steps over here. And this right here is actually one of the 3 mausoleums. Gotta be careful because the geese around here show no mercy. And here is the statue of Johnny Ramone. This tree has actually grown quite some bit since I've last been here. Now this mausoleum here is normally surrounded by a lake, so they are resurfacing the lake that's here, but it is super beautiful at night during the Dia de los Muertos celebration. They normally have like floating orbs and giant skeletons on the water, so it's really beautiful. And at the end of the video we'll definitely post some pictures of what that looks like. I always love seeing different headstones like this because it's not something that you would normally find in a regular cemetery. Because this is Hollywood, of course. It's going to be a little bit different. course, we have these little guys. Sitting here. Now, Toto's memorial's here. Now, he's not actually buried here, but it is a memorial for him. So we'll just head in here, over here, and see if this mausoleum is open. Okay. Statues of the saints. It's just so beautiful and peaceful here. Just some of the artwork on these windows is spectacular. And if you go to the front office, you can actually get a map so that you can see where all the stars are buried or in urns if they were cremated. And then right here is outside the mausoleum, and right in between that middle mausoleum where the water should be and that peak of the largest palm tree on the right, that is the Hollywood sign. Maybe we can do that on a different adventure. It's really nice going up to the park up there, so we'll put that on the list. So what you're hearing right now is actually the peacocks. On our way out of the cemetery today, we will go take a look at the peacock habitat. They do have them in cages during the day because the gates are open and they don't want them running out into the street, which is a good idea. But they are very beautiful, so we'll go take a look at those before we go. Now, walking through here, there are a lot of different paths and streets, walkways that you can go through. So you don't have to necessarily stick to the main streets. This is actually one of my favorite cemeteries because of so well kept it is. So here are the beautiful peacocks of Hollywood Forever, and they actually have little babies that are in there with them. So sweet. Look at how sweet. Hey guys. So of course these are the moms because they don't have the big plumage. And we're gonna walk over here to see these guys. Beautiful. They scared me. All right. Thanks for the photo op, guys. Oh my goodness, look. Oh goodness, there's eggs in there. That's probably why they're being so protective right now. And I did notice that the door to the habitat is open. So we are going to respect their space and head out. Okay, so we're getting ready to head out here. So I really hope you enjoyed the walk in the Hollywood Forever Cemetery. And don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I will list some information in regards to the cemetery links below. Thanks!